Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Auto Rehab. So this is gonna be kind of a fast-paced video. The seatbelts finally came in. I got my driver airbag and I called with Nick Rebuilds and he's got a spot opening to do the framework and stuff. We were gonna do it originally, but man, it's gonna take me another month or so, as busy as I am. So this is a perfect opportunity. I'm gonna try to finish this interior and send it on to Nick's Rebuilds. So I got the car loaded up on the trailer, got some of the parts in the bed, some parts inside, and we're gonna head to Nick's shop. Unfortunately, that's not all the parts. I had to go get another truck and load up the rest of the parts in there, because we got too many parts for this Shelby rebuild. Turned out nice. Nico Brothers alignment with iron right here. Yeah. So the car is almost complete. Just missing the stripes, or they're different colors. Don't mind the folks. It's a fashion trend.
It won't offend alignment.
Exactly. So we're here to see moment of truth if this thing will actually pass alignment. I even know it will, but I'm a little skeptical.
One way or another, it's gonna pass, right?
So anyways, we're about to see what's good with this. I mean, already we got some good signs. It's all in the green, right? I mean, what does this mean?
This is a first surge. You've never had this green when it just comes. That's good. That's like your framer. Good job.
All right.
So it looks good. Your camber's good. Your rear camber. I mean, everything looks good.
Look at that. That's good. That's always a good sign after an accident. So.
Yeah, that's dead on. So no frame damage at all.
Awesome. Very rare where I get a wrecked car and I bring it over here to Ivan's place.
And it's good to go.
And
you don't have to worry about it. It's perfect. No frame damage. No issues whatsoever. Ready to go. Everything's in spec.
Well, like I said, I'm actually very surprised. That's the first for me ever. I even get clean title cars.
It was really hard, so a little bit worse than ours.
Yeah.
But
I mean, I don't know if it's worse than y'all's, but
it's still worse than ours.
So, but yeah, it came out really nice, and like I said, I'm really surprised about the alignment. It's perfect. So, sweet.
Hey, you guys! Today we're going to be working on this nice Shelby. We're going to be taking off the old racing stripes and putting some new ones on. They quite don't match the color on the existing ones. The first thing we got to do is take them off. Well, this is it, you guys. Thumbs up. Turned out really nice. Looks good. Now it matches to the rest of the car. Hey, if you guys need any work, any window tint, holler at me.
Alright guys, here she is. It's finally complete. Minus this little small decal right here, which I'll explain the situation on that. I have to say, this is definitely one of my top favorite cars. The way it drives, I was very surprised. Vic, you want to open the door? Open the door real quick. There we go. Put that interior. Man. Gotta have the blue seat belts, of course. Rev it up. Is that what they say is open? Hey, turn off the exhaust. Let's hear how it's stock. Like quiet. Rev it up. Totally different. Let it rip one more time with the open exhaust. With the open? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that sounds good. Alright guys, so we're at the end of our build. 2018 Shelby GT350. Here it is. It's 99% complete. Unfortunately, whenever we were ordering all of these decals or pinstripes, whatever you want to call them, Ford's proudest probably part that they ever owned. This middle one comes as a left and right. So whenever they ordered for me, they only ordered the left. So therefore I had ordered the right one today, and it's on back order, of course. So it'll probably be here in a week or more. Crazy part, give you guys some information. This little decal is like right here almost cost me $1,000. It's unreal, man. I don't know, I should probably went aftermarket, but I try to keep everything OEM, so that's what happened. Realistically, I was hoping to be in the car under 30,000, but that didn't work out. That's not the case. I'm actually closer to what I'm selling the car for. So, you know, it is what it is. But the guy is going to be here tomorrow to pick it up. He's been following up with me every week. He's like, hey Serge, where are we at? Just checking up, you know, doing the Monday checkup. And he's coming through tomorrow to pick it up. So, yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the build. I know it wasn't the best. We didn't include a lot of the parts into it. But the car is complete, and let me tell you, it's a blast to drive. By far, one of my favorite cars I've owned. So let's go for a test drive, folks. All right, so the pretty cool thing about this car is it's got awesome options. Like down here, you got your switch for your exhaust, your sport, your normal, and then this is your launch control button. And then on here, they have a steering wheel setting where you can get the sport feel, the comfort, the normal. I usually keep it in sport, and the same thing with this, your damper mode. You go from normal to sport, and then you can select your different types of modes: normal, sport, weather, drag strip. So it's pretty neat, I ain't gonna lie. But I just love how the clutch feels, how it shifts, man. I just love this whole thing, and it sounds pretty good inside too. Yeah, we'll get on the road and get on that a little bit. Look at these rolls, right? Would you say it reminds you of Detroit?
Detroit, that's exactly what it looked like.
American Mustang, back to Detroit.
Yeah.
I love that high rev line. 8,500 RPMs. That is amazing. Oh. The pull is good. It just, man, I don't know. This thing's just a blast to drive. It doesn't feel like an American car. It feels kind of like similar to the German cars and the Porsches I've owned. I love the feel of it. Alright, always keeping it under 45. Gotta follow state laws and rules.
This boy, you're gonna do launch control.
Alright, cool. Alright guys, so we're at this, I guess, part or time, whatever, where the guy is here to pick up this beauty. So he's been in contact with me since the beginning of the build, and we've been doing these Monday routines where he calls me, he's like, hey man, what's the status, dude? Or where are we at on the build, right? So, and the car, like I said, is done. He came through. Here he is right here. His name is Randy. Randy is from Ohio. And like I said, he's looking for a Shelby, and I was building one. So, like I said, it was, I guess, a working relationship. I don't know. You want to say anything, dude?
It's good. It's mine now.
Yeah. The car is definitely his. I didn't even get to really enjoy it. That's just the kind of guy he is. He's just like, man, I want to be the first one to really get on it. So he came and got it before I even got to really drive the car. But from what I got to drive, man, one of my favorite cars ever. Seriously, it is definitely not a Mustang. It's a completely different monster. I'm excited for him. He's gonna be driving it home. And like I said, hopefully, I don't know, just enjoying it as much as I did. It's for my short couple of days, right?
I love it.
So, all right. Either way, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll have some new builds coming this year. Thanks. There he is. It's leaving. Get on it. YouTube world, I do have an Instagram profile. I'm gonna post it below in my description. I always post on there sneak peeks and current builds that I don't even post on YouTube that make it out there. So be sure to follow me on there so you can stay current with all my builds and see what's going on. Also, today is Father's Day, so I want to do a shout out to all the fathers out there. Happy Father's Day to you guys, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode.